Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So guys, today I'll be making a drawstring bag through this fabric. So I also have here a string, a needle, a thread, and a scissor, and also I'll be using this one for the drawstring later. So guys, I'll be starting now. Come and join me guys, and keep on watching till the end. So I'll be folding it double like this, and I'll be sewing it this one here at the side. So this is the bottom part of the bag. I'll just sew it like this. So I'll be sewing it until here. So it's already done. I already sew it here and to the bottom part. So now I'll be putting this fabric here for the string here, this, okay. So this one is for the string. So now I'll be putting the string already. Here first. Okay, this one here. Guys, here it is. From here the string goes here. Okay, these are two holes in here and goes through here, and this one another string and goes there. Okay, done the first string, and I'll be doing this second string opposite side like this one. So guys, the string goes from its opposite direction. This guys, here it is. I will show you on how to carry it at the back. So this is how it carried at the back, like this. Okay,